Okay, number 5. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Okay, it says lithium reacts spontaneously with bromine. So you're supposed to figure out what is what. So lithium, it's Li. Oh, let me write it on the bottom there. Let me see, make a new layer. So lithium will react spontaneously with bromine. It's not Br, it's Br2. Okay, because it's one of those diatomic molecules to produce lithium bromide. So to produce lithium bromide, when they bind together like this, ionic bond, this is cation +1 -1. And then you need to balance it. If you get this one wrong, you're not going to get the correct answer here. So we got 2 BRs on the left side, so I'm going to put 2 in front and then 2 front here. Okay, so that's our balanced equation. It says if 25 grams of lithium and 25 grams of bromine are present in the beginning, how much of each substance, all these, are present when the reaction is completed. Alrighty. So let's first convert 25.0 grams of the first one, lithium, into grams of our product there, lithium bromide. And we're going to do the, let me color code this. I'll do a reddish color for bromine here. So we got 25.0 grams of Br2. I'm going to convert that into grams of lithium Br because we need to figure out, especially when they give you the two reactants masses, then you have to figure out which one is limiting reactant and which one will be excess. Okay, so let's do the green part first. So I'll write 25.0 grams of lithium. Let's see. We go to let me get P table there. Okay, lithium will be over here. It's 6.94. Okay, so we go 6.94 grams of lithium is 1 mole of lithium. Then when you look at this balance, it's 2 moles of lithium. Actually, 2 goes to 2 moles of lithium bromide because that's the product. And then there's more. 1 mole of lithium bromide. Okay, we need P table again. So we have lithium and then bromine there. So let's add, I'll use my calculator here. 6.94 plus 70. I'm gonna round everything to the hundredths place, 2 decimal places. 79.90. That gives me 86.84. 86.84 grams of lithium bromide. Okay, let's see what that comes out to be. 25 times, well, those 2 and 2 will cancel each other out, these two. So 25 times 86.8 divided by all the denominators, so 6.94 divided by 2 gives me 156. 156. Make it a little bit smaller. 156 grams of our product, lithium bromide. Okay. Okay, we'll do an orange one now. Let's start with 25 grams of, well, 25.0, 3 sig fig grams of bromine, Br2. We'll multiply by Br2. Let's get P table right there. Br2 is right there. So 79.9. 79.9 times 2 gives me 159.8. So 159.8 grams of Br2. Let me get it out of the way. Is 1 mole of Br2. Okay, so grams cancel. I didn't show canceling, but you get the idea. And then, by looking at this, for every 1 mole of that, so 1 mole of Br2 we're going to make 2 moles of that. So 2 moles of lithium bromide. And then we'll do the same thing, 1 mole of lithium bromide, 86.84 grams of lithium bromide will give us, again, oh, nothing's canceling here. So 25 times 2 times 86.84 divided by 159.8 is 27.2 grams of lithium. I rounded up to using 3 sig fig LIBR. So looks like this gave us the less amount, which means, okay, which is limiting reactant? Well, the one that gave us less. So this is limiting reactant. Which one's excess reactant? Lithium is excess reactant. Theoretical yield is how much we're supposed to get when everything else is ideal. So that's this one. So theoretical yield will be 27.2 grams of lithium Br. Okay. Now, after the reaction, mass of lithium, okay, we need to figure that out. Bring it up a little bit. So we know that at the end of the reaction, we know that we made 27.2 grams of lithium Br. So that's just this, 27.2 grams. Okay. And then mass of bromine will be 0 because bromine was what? Limiting reactant, so everything will get used. So that's 0. Now, all we need to figure out is mass of lithium, which is the excess. How much? Let's figure out how much of lithium has reacted first. Okay, so it's 27.2 grams of lithium Br we have to start with, because we know we're gonna make that much amount of the product. Okay, let me bring that down a little bit. So we know that we're gonna make that amount, and then we do, what is it, 86.84 molar mass grams of lithium bromide. That's 1 mole, LIBR. And then we have to go all the way back to lithium right there, okay? So 2 moles of lithium Br is 2 moles of lithium. And then 1 mole of lithium now is molar mass is 6.94 grams of lithium. So when you again, these two will cancel each other out. 27.2 multiplied by 6.94 divided by 86.84 gives us 2.17. This means 2.17 grams of lithium reacted. Okay. How much did we start with? We started with 25 grams of lithium. 25 grams. So from 25.0 grams minus 2.17 grams, which has been reacted and disappeared, now that's going to be equal to, so 25 minus 2.17 gives us 22.83, but rules of what is it, sig fig, this is first decimal place, this is up to second decimal place. You have to round to the, have it to the what is it, least number, no, not least number, the less precise. Okay, so this is less precise because it's in tenths, so it should be 22.8 grams of lithium will be remaining after, so that goes here, after the reaction is completed. So that's 22.8 grams of lithium remaining. Okay. All right, so if you're okay with this, why don't you watch this next video?